having an opening of an art show.
No.
Yeah, these are my students. They've been painting for a long time, and so once a year we have, for the month of May, for Community Living Month, an art show to show their work.
Great. And is there like an official name for today's art show?
We call it blending
Yeah.
because they make beautiful colors. Blending is an art word, you know, to blend your paints together, mixing, and also blending into the community, right? Because, you know, these guys are as good as any artist I know, and I'm an artist too.
Well, some of these are really breathtaking.
Yeah.
So, like, did you teach them the techniques of blending?
Yes. You know, I make their palette and I put the colors out for them, and then they just paint. Or I give them, you know, I say, well, let's work with light and dark, or, you know, we do still lifes, or, you know, we do all kinds of things, and this is sort of the result of it.
Great. And so, for someone who, you know, doesn't know anything about it, can people buy these paintings?
Yes, they can. They're all for sale. Actually, we already sold one before opening. I hung the show on Monday, and we sold one yesterday.
Great. And what would you want people to know about this event?
I think people should come down and see these paintings. They're beautiful, they're spiritual, they're not painted from photographs, they're painted from their soul, from their heart. You know? Yeah. Yeah. And it's just an experience, you know, to see beautiful color.
Great. And is there anything else I should know?
The show runs till May 30th.
Perfect.
Yeah, yeah, and we have shows here every 2 months. Different artists around the town.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And are you interviewing too, Shirley? Yeah. Oh, good.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time.